Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. Where did that just come from? Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. That's my theme right there. Okay, anyway, I swear y'all, it is early in the morning and I'm just like, why am I so hyped right now? I got me some strawberries. It's time to do my hair. Because this was a fail. This was my magic rollers, not so magic. Okay. All right. And I was like, okay, I need to do a wash and go, but I literally just washed my hair. And the only things on my hair is a foam. So I was like, let's just do a dry wash and go, right? Right? And I was like, okay, well, I have this cream and I have this cream. And I'm like, people have talked about these creams really well. So I'm like, maybe I should put them together and see what we get. Why not? Okay, so this is the ORS Manoi Oil Anti-Breakage Curl Perfecting Smoothie Cream. All right, I've seen the Glam twins do like their hair swaps, and she mentioned this. I think it was Kelsey, or was it Kendra? Okay, don't come for me. I don't know which one it was. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I remember her saying she loved this, and the way that her curls was looking was okay. So I was like, oh, I need to try that. So I got it off Amazon. It a little busted up, but I got it. Hey, what's good? And you guys know I love the Texture ID styling cream. So I was like, Sid, put it together, make a cream, baby. Okay, I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. And I have some water here. This bottle came from Sally's. I'm going to do it on dry hair. Hopefully I don't need too much water though. I don't know if I actually want to use a lot of water yet. Haven't really decided, but I just know I got to do my hair and this just ain't going to work. Okay, these magic rollers were not magic enough for me. Throw it away. Throw it away. I didn't even sleep with no bonnet last night. Y'all should already just come for me in the comments. Y'all already know. Please come for me because I'm out here always yelling at y'all about, yeah, but better put your bonnet on. And here I go, just not put my bonnet on just because I don't be feeling like it. I'm going to just start off by putting the cream, and I'm going to see if my hair starts reverting with the cream. So I'm going to start off with the Manoi oil one because I've never tried it. And it looks more creamy than, like, defining. Ooh, so creamy. Look at that. Boom. This is a thick cream, sis. It's thick, friend. I ain't mad, though. Okay. Go and put that on and let it now. Put it on. Put it on, friend. It's not really curling. It's just looking like a hot slap ass mess. So we're gonna have to wet this. Hey. Just to get some revertation. Did I make that up? Of course I did. The revertation. The revertation. The cheetah sisters. Maybe my hair is like, no ma'am. What's happening right now? What's this? What is this, sis? I'm just playing. It takes some time. This ain't the best cream for reverting at all. It's like, oh no. Alright. I don't know about this, friend. We're gonna keep trying. If it don't work, I just hop my ass in the shower. Listen, I feel like it's not about to work. I ain't got time for my curls to curl up. But I'm adding a Texture ID cream right now to see what's popping. Anything gonna pop? Hello? Hello? I'm about to go wash my hair. Well, at least hop in the shower, wash it a little bit, and I'm going to come back. And then we're going to apply these two creams because this is about to be a poofy, hot mess. Y'all can already see. It's about to be poofy. It's about to shrink up to like here and be like a nest. See? Look at it. I am back and my hair is wet. Going in with the ORS cream first. Once more. And then I'm going to go in with the Texture ID cream right on top. double cream, boo. Double cream. So I'm just going to make sure I work both of these products in, focusing on the roots. That's the first section, you guys. So I'm going to just do the rest of my hair. You guys know the drill. Do the rest of my hair. Play some music. Let y'all listen. And I will be back once I'm done applying everything. And I should, if you guys see my water bottle, clearly I'm adding water as needed. Done. I actually went looking for my WED spray because I couldn't find it. And you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this WED spray. This is the WED Advanced Climate Control Anti-Frizz Nanotechnology Restore and Revive Biophase Spray. Okay, I have been recently obsessed. You just shake it up because it comes like with two different types of liquid, then it turns like a milky type of spray. And so I shake it up and I just spray it all over, because when I sit under the dryer, everything just sets and the amount of frizz is minimized. So this is the final look. I will have to say, you guys, off bat, I am in love with this cream. This ORS cream is so good. Like, this is gonna be a new favorite of mine. It just goes on so smooth, and when I was running my hands through my hair, it just like every tangle just like melted into the sunset. It was a romantic situation, okay? It was romantic, okay? And then going in with this was cool, but this right here, new good product I love finding. So yeah, you guys, absolutely love this right here. So I just wanted to say that, but as you can see, there's some residue. There's white stuff on my hair, of course, but I used two creams, so it was expected. So I'm about to go sit under the dryer, and then I will come back once I'm dry. I'm kind of regretting not shingling my hair because I feel like it would have been if I would have shingled, but I didn't really have that type of time today, so I just went ahead and did the raking method. Just raked it through, and I prayer hands a few of them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna sit under the dryer, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and my hair is dry and I don't like it. Like I stated, I should have done the shingling method, you guys. I was being lazy. This is what happened when you be lazy, okay? It's just very frizzy up here. Like, it's just way too much frizz for me and my liking. It shrunk up so much. Yeah, I need to take a blow dryer and elongate some of this because it's just like, I'm gonna stretch my hair out, and then I'm going to come back and do the shingling method with the same products. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I'm about to attempt this double cream wash and go again. It's a whole nother week from the first time you guys saw it. So I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I decided to do something a little different this time. Instead of coming out of the shower and adding the first cream, I went ahead and added the ORS Manoi Oil Cream to my hair already, and I've detangled it as much as I can because you guys know if you're doing the shingling method, you have to go with detangled hair, right? I've sectioned my hair off into 5. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back. This cream has basically set in my hair, and y'all, I'm gonna be honest, as I was applying this cream in the shower, I was just like, this cream feels so freaking good. And I'm like, dang, like my curls are popping, okay, with just this cream. So I could see why she did a wash and go with this. But You guys know I gotta take it up a notch. Sir, I'm going to be adding the Texture ID cream. We're going to be still doing both creams. Here is the Texture ID cream. And I'm not going to put too much, but I do want to add it because this is what gives me hold. So I do want to add this Texture ID cream on top of the other one. So now I'm just going to start shingling. And I think I'm going to take just some of the cream and have some of the cream on my hand. So I know this is boring and you guys don't need to go through this again because you guys have seen me shingle with this cream before. So I am just going to jump to me being finished with this, you guys. And then I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts on how I feel about this combo. So I know I said I'm going to come back when I was done. And I'm not going to do it. I am not going to do it. I am like touching my hair and my hair is just too soft. And when my hair is too soft, y'all, it's just, well, it's not going to do it. It's not going to last. It's going to draw up so much that it just looks like a mess. I'm not going to waste my time. I only wanted to do this experiment because I wanted to see if there was something that'll make me not want to use a gel. I've already tried the Texture ID once before by itself and it was amazing. That'll probably be the only time I won't use a gel. But this combo right here, I would use it if your hair dry as hell. I'm sorry, y'all. I know I'm sorry I had to disappoint you. But if I shingle my hair, if I sit here and shingle my hair and don't come out right, I'm be mad. So I don't even put y'all through that, me being upset again. What we gonna do is we gonna stop. We gonna just say it's a no for me, dog. I'm gonna think of another combo to go along with this product since it's already in my hair. We gonna leave it like that. I'm about to do another wash and go. So if you're interested in seeing what else I pair with this cream, then make sure you check out my next video. And once that video goes live, I will put it right here so you can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.